Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add fonts to Photoshop. So for example, here I have a website called The Font. This is where you can download free fonts, right? And for example, I want a font called this one, Merry Holiday, because it was just a holiday earlier, right? So Merry Holiday, I'm just going to download this real quick and click on download, and it'll be downloaded right here, right? I'm going to open the file, and the way we can add fonts to Photoshop, we basically have to add fonts to our entire computer as well. So we need to download either a TTF file or an OTF file. Both of these will work. It doesn't matter. They're basically the same file. Now, when you have the TTF file, just double click on it and you'll see this is the font display right here, right? When you click on this, click on install. And then you'll see it'll be installing the fonts. Give it a second. Once it's done, you'll see the install button is now grayed out. It means the font has been installed. Now, if I go to Photoshop now and I try to find the font, right? For example, I go to here and I want to add a text. If I try to look for the font, it won't be available yet, right? So if I want to make the font available, I'll need to restart the Photoshop first. So let me restart Photoshop. Let's click on close. Let's click on no. And then let's open Photoshop again. I've restarted Photoshop and now let's try adding a new text. I'm going to make a text. And let's make this text the Merry Holiday font we just installed. So Merry Holiday. And there you go. We have a new font in Photoshop called Merry Holiday. And this font isn't available in Photoshop only. It's available anywhere. So if you want to go to Word or an editing software or a PDF editor that's locally installed in your laptop or on your PC, you will have this font, Merry Holiday, available. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.